my materials for this project, I have 5 colors of seed beads size 11, and I have 3 colors of size 8 seed beads, and a round pearl, 4mm size, and 1-inch chain. And I also have a jump ring and a clasp that I already attached. And for this project, I'm gonna use this is the thread I'm gonna use. So let's begin. I string 8 seed bead size 11 brown color, and I already attached my jump ring to the clasp. Then pick up 1 brown, then cross, so I'm gonna tape it. Pick up 11 brown in each thread. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 in each thread. Then down, pick up 1, then cross. Pick up pink size 8 and pink size 11 in each thread. Drop it down. Pick up the pearl and cross and down. Pick up 11 of the pink and the 8 in each thread and down, and pick up 1 brown 11, cross, pick up 2 11 each brown in each thread, down, and then pick up 1 brown 11 and cross. Pick up green 8 and 11, green in each thread, then down, pick up the pearl, cross. Pick up 11 of the green and the 8 in each thread, then down, pick up brown 11 and cross. Pick up 2 brown 11 in each thread, down, pick up 1 brown 11 and cross. Then the yellow, pick up size 8 and 11 of the yellow in each thread, down, then pick up the pearl, and cross. Pick up 11 of the yellow in each thread, and yellow, 11 and 8 yellow in each thread, down, pick up the brown color 11 and cross. Pick up 2 11 brown in each thread, and down, and pick up 1 11 brown and cross. So I'm going to just continue following the steps and until I reach my desired length. So I'm done with the yellow color, so I'm going to start with the pink again. So I have the length that I want. So my thread is coming out. Picking up 4 brown 11, then my chain, another 4, then pass through, then I'm going to just go ahead and reinforce by passing one more time. Pass to the 2 11 brown, pick up the size 8 yellow, pass through, Then size 8 of the green seed bead. And then pink size 8. So I'm going to continue adding size 8 on both sides. So I just finished adding my size 8. So my thread is coming out, passing through the 8, the 11, and the 8. Pick up 4 brown size 11. Pick up 6 of the green. Then I'll just pass through the first green. Then pick up 4 brown. Pass through the 8, size 8. Pick up 4 brown. Then pick up 6 of the green. Then just pass the first green. Then pick up 4 brown. Pass through the 8, size 8. Pick up another 4 brown. Then pick up 6 green. Then just pass through the first green. Just press it down. And then pick up 4. Pass through, size 8. So I'm just going to do this on both sides. Then I pick up my last 4 brown, pass through. So I'm going to just make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut my thread and we're done. spring blooms. Like my garden, I have a lot of flowers in my garden. Hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. And have a blessed day, everybody.